I really want the audience to know more of these hacks. Should we go into each category? Let's say content creation. Let's say finance. If you want to explore spreadsheets, valuation models, pitch decks, uh, more if you have any in mind. Let's say a video editing tool or marketing strategy tool. Do you want to go in one by one and share some tools like what's say lead generation for you that's important as a consultant to get startups reaching out to you? Do you want to share?
Yeah, I would definitely share. So I'll not say they are AI tools in specific. So it's basically growth hacking, what you're asking for.
Yeah.
But yeah, it is done by AI, right? So I'll tell you for lead acquisition, there are many tools like Snoof.io, Phantom Buster, where you get the email IDs of all the TGs you want to target, right? So you can get it from Snoof.io, Phantom Buster, where you get the email ID and then you can automate the emails also using now MailChimp has come in, right? The CRMs which are there, like Salesforce, Lead Square, you can say now Odoo has come in, right? These all players are also integrating AI into their lead acquisition, like a format of lead acquisition.
We are doing free marketing for all these companies.
Yeah, I mean, definitely that's where we charge. But I'll tell you that, I mean, I don't know why people are not using it. They're just not aware. They're ignorant. I'll tell you with video automation, right? Currently, what we are doing, we are shooting the video. You're going to put it in clips, right? Who is going to do it? A video editor. We can eliminate them. So there are tools like Submagic, HeyGen, which can eliminate that, right? If you want to create an AI avatar, right? I am speaking right now, but you don't know I'm a human or I'm a avatar, right? So there is HeyGen, which is one of the best in the world right now, right? So you can do that. If you want to build PPTs, beautiful.ai, gamma.app, right? So they are basically like you can put your documents there and you say that you give me a beautiful PPT out of it.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't have to put your document, you just have to write a prompt.
True.
You get beautiful PPTs out of it.
And then
right?
you customize it further according to how you want.
But again, they are top down GPT, right? So if I'm just telling you again and again, GPT is going to compete with, like, the competition is not the players which are actually working on GPT. The competition is with the bigger players, like now X is coming in the AI picture.
Let's go another use case, sir. Do you use anything in your day-to-day working life, any AI tools you would like to
using? But frankly, if it comes to me, I will be completely blank. But yes, I know my team, Vatsal, they are using multiple, AI tools. We have actually invested in, AI tools like, Vodex.ai, which is basically, on your marketing, sales and marketing tool, which helps you completing your entire sales part of it. Something like Vitra.ai, it's a multilingual. So it basically translates into 72 languages. So these are the ones. So what I'm saying is, while we have invested, but knowing that, at one point of a time, it becomes relevant for us also. And we are certainly, using a couple of tools for our own purposes also. In fact, when we are talking about GPT, I came across, it's still on a development stage. But from investment perspective, if I give all the information, relevant information like pitch decks, financials and everything, it actually creates the entire investment memo, which is relevant from investors' perspective, which are the red flags, which are the positives, negatives, what is the future. It goes through everything and creates one single investment memo, which is relevant, which can be circulated around. So, I think so. For us also, it becomes very relevant if, we are not using some kind of a tool, it becomes difficult for us.
Yeah, I'll just add on. So when you talked about Vodex.ai, right? So they are amazing because what they do is basically they have automated sales call, right? You will not identify the other person is actually a human or not, right? And in that, so it's basically again, go deep into audio generative AI, right? So it's another careers altogether, but now there is something known as Hume.ai.
Is it also used like for customer support queries?
Yes. So you don't know, like today I'm getting a call from major edtech players are using this, right? So I'm getting a call like, hey, you want to take the course? I don't know who is the other person. The person is AI actually. And it can actually, so there are personas which are already feeded inside it. So maybe my voice and all your voice, his
male,
voice,
female, all ethnics.
Yeah. So if you, I mean, in the internet it is going very viral, but Shah Rukh Khan's voice. You can just, like, Shah Rukh Khan is calling you, saying that happy birthday.
But can he sue you for that? Because it's
now,
the copyright issue.
Very good topic. So
Yeah.
I used to tell this in my videos also, that see, there is something known as inspiration, taking inspiration. Like you're actually painting, right? Like you're painting the scenery, and then I am taking an inspiration. I am painting the another paint. Am I copying you? Can you sue me for this?
It's inspired by Harsh.
It's inspired, right? So same way AI functions.
So, you know, recently what happened, I was getting regularly tagged into these scam videos where it's a Virat Kohli video and it's an AI generated Virat Kohli voice.
Yeah.
And it's like, मैंने ये app download किया है और इससे मुझे मेरे account में 50,000 आ गए. First thing I found it very funny. Why is Virat Kohli saying that मेरे account में 50,000 आ गए? You're talking about Virat Kohli over here. But these are becoming more and more common now. Virat Kohli is not going to go around running like, who is the owner of this app? How can I sue him? It's not going to, like, you cannot trace that person. And if you trace this person, like you said, there are so many loopholes around it.
Right.
I feel now with all these plethora of tools available, one of the main skill sets that people will have to develop is prompting. Like even you being able to describe properly what you exactly want from this sort of AI tool is going to be a major thing, because if you're not able to articulate the exact thing that you need, the AI might just go haywire and pick up things from here and there and might give you something that you don't need.